can see that, but do you have any specific things that you would want to say about it prior to starting to go into what's on the page?
I just wish they had made the judge's comments more pop out on the page. They just felt a little buried, and really pointing out more the Fifth Amendment issues and really citing the actual authority relevant to that and the case law for that. It felt a little weak. We could have done more.
I didn't
Yeah,
like the language on that where I agree it's weak, where they say, it's open to belief, or it's reasonable to conclude that this court found bad faith. I would have gone a step further.
Yeah.
It is on record that this court has found bad faith.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
It's like, why be weak? This result feels compelled from what this court has already said. When you can quote the court or you can quote the other side, you quote the court or you can quote the other side.
And don't let the court back up. You already know this judge is inclined to back away from his rulings. Pin him to it.
Yeah.
Nail that to the wall so that it can be seen by everybody. This court has already found bad faith on record. Here's the quotes.
You're so correct in everything you just said, Ian. And what I'm going to tell you is this is the reason that we are at the place that we are at right now, for exactly what you touched on. Because even though all the facts, law, evidence is on completely on Kyle's side, what we are witnessing here is two sides working with the independent arbiter in the middle, and one side, the side of the prosecution, thoroughly grasps and understands the mindset and how the judge thinks, and the other side seems to be completely oblivious to it, have absolutely no clue how to play him, when to push, when to I guess it's astonishing to watch how they don't learn from their mistakes, as far as how to be how aggressiveness and relentless aggressiveness and pushing those borders ultimately wins with this judge, and that he'll cave. It's like a parent that is like, it's like, can we go to Great Adventures? Can we go to Great Adventures? No. Can we go to Great Adventures? No. Can we go to Great Adventures? No. Can we go to Great Adventures? Fine. I'll take a Great Adventures. It's like, that's basically what he is. And for the defense to be so blind and oblivious to it is just, it's disappointing to see that in lawyers.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, I think your analogy of him being a parent who's going to end up stopping at McDonald's all the time is exactly right.